Hey, everyone! Today, we're diving into the delicious world of fruits and vegetables. I'll teach you the names of fruits and veggies in a fun and easy way. And to help you remember, each word will be repeated twice. So stay with me and let's learn together.
1. Fruits.
Apple, apple. Banana, banana. Orange, orange.
Mango, mango.
Grapes, grapes.
Strawberry, strawberry.
Pineapple, pineapple. Watermelon, watermelon. Peach, peach. Cherry, cherry. Blueberry, blueberry. Pear, pear. Kiwi, kiwi. Lemon, lemon. Coconut, coconut. Avocado, avocado. Fig, fig.
Pomegranate, pomegranate. Apricot, apricot. Plum, plum.
2. Vegetables.
Carrot, carrot. Tomato, tomato.
Potato, potato.
Cucumber, cucumber. Onion, onion. Garlic, garlic.
Lettuce, lettuce. Broccoli, broccoli. Spinach, spinach.
Pepper, pepper. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Cabbage, cabbage. Corn, corn.
Peas, peas.
Eggplant, eggplant.
Zucchini, zucchini. Celery, celery. Mushroom, mushroom. Beetroot, beetroot. Radish, radish.
If you liked this video, don't forget to follow for more fun and easy English lessons. See you next time!